Hello everyone, and welcome back to Madison Day Crochet, and I have another really exciting unboxing to do with you guys. So I don't know if you've heard of the Hook Nook, but she's been around in the maker community for a long time. At the beginning of this year, she started doing a subscription box where she includes a pattern, yarn, and sometimes some goodies for you to create something every month. And so this month I decided to finally splurge and buy my very first Hook Nook subscription box, and I'm literally gonna open it for the first time with you guys. So let's get it started and open this. I'm gonna rip this open. With a little help of some scissors. So at first glance, this kind of looks like the pattern. Oh no, this is a welcome letter. Happy April, my friend. Wow, and it looks like it has some extra tips for whatever we're making. Oh, and look, and here's a picture of Jessica's shop that should be opening in the next month. Ah! Oh my gosh, I'm so excited for her. I've been there. This is so cool. I'm not going to read this right now. I'll read this later. But let's keep looking at what's inside our box. All right, here we go. The reveal. Oh my goodness, you guys. Did you guys know that green is my favorite color? Look at how pretty this green is. Okay, so this is Green Thumb is the color it's called, and this is the Hook Nook Small Stuff. I've actually never used this yarn. I've used her Main Squeeze and her Yummy yarn, but not the small stuff. So this is her DK weight yarn, and it looks like there's two of these green and then a complementary black. Very nice. Ooh, where to begin? This looks like some kind of drawstring or like shoelace. Are we making a bag maybe? Interesting. This looks like a Hook Nook pin for me to put on my bag. Cute. Hook Nook stickers. Some honey lavender stress relief tea, which actually this is really, really good. I actually really like this tea, and the first time I ever tried it was when I ordered yarn from Jessica, because she likes to put these in your orders. I think that's such a really cool idea. And her adorable business card. Oh my goodness, so cute. I love it. Some confetti. Woo! Oh, and look, this must be the little like added edition. It looks like a cute little sewing kit with some needles and some sewing thread and a little safety pin. That's really, really cool. And then this looks like a leather strap. Well, if you guys haven't figured it out yet, I'm pretty sure we're making a bag. And here it is. Oh my gosh, this pattern is laminated, you guys. Do you see that? I have never seen a laminated pattern in a subscription box. Oh my goodness. Okay, so looks like we will be making the Eyelet Market bag this month, and it is a crochet pattern. Look how cute that is with the little tassels. Okay, I can't get over the fact that this is laminated. Like, this pattern will last forever. Honestly, one of the first things I was super surprised about was this laminated pattern. Like, I am totally excited that this pattern is literally going to last forever because it's laminated. Jessica, this is amazing. I've never bought a subscription box with a laminated pattern in it. And then of course, let's talk about the yarn. This yarn is so soft. Like, I wish you guys could feel this through the camera. It feels super soft. And this, it's like she knew that green is my favorite color. So I'm very excited to make me a green bag. And it complements this black really well. Well, anything complements black, but I like the green and the black together. And so it looks like this is like a drawstring. So I wonder if you're gonna be able to like drawstring it closed. And then it obviously comes with a leather strap as well. Honestly, I am so excited to make this bag, and I'm so glad I kind of did this as like a first impression unboxing, so you guys can like experience my reaction. So thanks again for going on this unboxing adventure, and if you have any suggestions for unboxings, let me know in the comments, and follow me on Instagram and Facebook so you can see my finished bag when it's done. And I will see you guys next time.